Okay, so here we are at our apartment at Center Parcs Whinfell Forest. We'll take you a little tour. Of course, you have to scan your wristbands to get in, which is also your room key. Rather nice little reception area. So that obviously leads up to the second floor. So I have 2 levels in this apartment. So you got set rooms down that way. And we are right at the bottom, straight down this way. Rather nice, rather modern. I suppose they do update it over the years.
It's the first time we stayed in an apartment though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Here, anyway.
We've stayed in the hotel at Woburn, but obviously that's pretty much brand new, but this still looks fairly decent, and here we are. Apartment number 71. There you go, scan your wristband. And here we are. We have just had a curry, it smells a bit, but damn worth it.
Smells of curry.
Here we have the kitchen area. Again, it looks just like how the lodges look, but it's an apartment. There you got your fridge. Obviously, we brought a lot of our stuff in the essentials, of course. Beer. But yeah, you got a fridge. So you've got your usual stuff. Got your cutlery.
Glasses there.
All things you need there. Plenty of glasses. They come with the apartment room, of course.
Plates in here.
Microwave. Plates, dishes, all that kind of stuff. So you've got your coffee and tea making facilities. You've got a Bosch coffee maker, a Bosch toaster, and you've got your kettle as well. So you've got a hob and an oven. Plenty of cooking. Your traditional Center Parcs chalkboard. You get them in all the lodges and all the sites and hotels and apartments. Then we go into the bathroom. Rather nice, rather modern. As you see, a jacuzzi bath, this I believe. So that's rather nice. Might have to try that at some point.
No toiletries though.
Yes, however, there are no toiletries in here, which is a bit of a shame. So we haven't got shampoo, so we're gonna have to go to the park market for that. Usual stuff, plenty of towels. But to make up for the toiletries, let me take you around here. To make up for the toiletries, weirdly, we're given a free complimentary bottle of bourbon, Buffalo Trace. I mean, sound. It's very odd, isn't it?
You believe that?
Wow, that's I'm sure you believe that.
And also we got created that.
And a creative brewdog. What's going on? That's definitely not from us. So yeah, you got your stuff here, like your beds.
Wardrobe.
Obviously 2 single beds. Yeah, you got your wardrobe.
Skinny wardrobe.
Yeah, it's rather slim, but you got a few coat hangers that come here already. You also have a safe. It's a bit dark, can't really see it, but there is a safe down there. Took us a couple of goes to get it set up, but eventually we got it set up fine. I think just didn't read the instructions properly, probably. Little dining area. Well, you didn't. I did. I must have done. Dining area. Obviously, sofa, TV. It's just a bog standard telly, but it's all right. Does the job. I believe is this DVD player? Yep, not actually checked. Yep, does Blu-ray. So if you ever want to bring a DVD, you have Blu-ray player. Bog standard landline. Obviously, guest services number on there. Let's show you the view outside. Obviously, these are lakeside apartments. You get a bit of a view of the lake, but it's obviously quite protected. This is our view outside. Rather nice. What's nice as well, that is actually a public path, however it ends over there, and this is all private. So hopefully no one should be walking down here. It's like for emergency access only, so if you're in this end, round where apartment 70 is, onwards, you have this pathway which is fairly quiet. Let's show you the outside of our lodge. Sorry, apartment. There it is. Obviously you got the upper level up there. But in a way, I kind of prefer the ground level. because you've only got that amount of space up there. Whereas here, you can have a little walk out. Look at the wildlife. There have actually been quite a bit of wildlife here today. We saw a hare, we saw some ducklings, quite cute, and just some pigeons. I mean, pigeons are wildlife, but... Oh, a bullfinch as well, and there's a zip wire straight up there, and it was just sat on the zip wire, so it'd be interesting to see if anyone zooms down that tomorrow. But obviously your lake is just over there, you can just see the village centre. It's a bit hard to see, but we've got a pond as well. So yeah, can't see a lot of the lake, but it's still nice. You can get a bit of a view of it, but I'm not complaining. Overview of the room. It's very similar to how the lodges look, layout wise, except obviously it's an apartment with a balcony. Overall, fairly good impressions. It is a shame about the toiletries. Usually when we've been here before, we've had toiletries just complimentary, so we're going to have to nip to the park market for that. Chalks right, the chalkboard. Another quick little pan round. Overly happy, really. It's quite nice.
Good.
Are you happy?
Yeah, it's alright, yeah. Apart from that smell of curry.
Yeah, there was a smell of curry when we first got in here, which is a bit annoying. We've had to like spray the room and all that, but I mean, we've just had a curry now, so we can't really talk that much.
Try and counteract this smell of curry.
Yeah, try and get rid of the original smell of curry. We had curry ourselves, so.
It's a fresh curry smell.
So overall, pretty happy. We've been to Center Parcs many years, of course, and we usually stay in hotels, like Whinfell Forest as a hotel, and it's nice, and the lodges are okay as well. They're absolutely fine, but we usually stay in apartments and hotels. Usually they're cheaper, like the Woburn one's quite a bit cheaper than the lodges. That's usually why I do it. I don't think there's much price difference for this one, but we just thought we'd try an apartment because it's like similar to the hotels, and it's convenient because we've got the village square just over there, sports centre just behind us, so we're kind of in the middle of everything, so it helps a lot. So yeah, if you come into Whinfell Forest, I'd recommend an apartment, really. It's in the middle of everything. Car park's a bit of a walk, but that's okay. You can drive your car here when you're dropping your stuff off. It's a lovely place and a nice little apartment. So yeah, that's our little review of our apartment here at Center Parcs Whinfell Forest. Thank you for watching.